Let's move to our backend folder. Here we have the models and the controllers. We have category, task, and user models. We need to add the admin. Let's go to the backend and add admin PHP artisan make model, and the model, let's call it admin model, and we need also the migration, so we can create the admins table. Let's wait until it's done. The admin model has been created successfully. Here is it. The admin will be like the user. Let's copy from here and paste here. And admin doesn't have tasks, and we can change here the name to admin, and also here we can change to admin factory. We will add also the admin factory, and admin doesn't use the API token. No need to add it. Let's remove it. So we have only the has factory, and we can keep notifiable. That's all. Let's go to our migrations. Here we have the user or the users. Let's copy this part and paste it here inside our admin. And the admin will have named email verified at, and password. Okay, let's migrate our table PHP artisan migrate, and we are done. Let's create now the factory so we can add an admin. Let's call it admin factory. And also we need seeder, so we can seed the admin seeder. And here we have seeder. Let's hit enter, and we are done. Let's go to our factories. We have here the user. Let's copy this part and paste it here. For the admin, we have the name. We can give it admin. What else we have? We have the email. Let's give it admin email.com. Email verified at, we can keep it as it is. The password, we can use the hash class, and the hash class, so we need to import it. And here we have the password, and here we have the remember token. Let's copy this import and use it here. So we have named email, the hash, and or the password, and the remember token. Now let's see the admin. Where is seeder? So here is our seeder. We have here admin. Let's create only. So we'll create only one admin. Let's copy from here and paste, and instead use the admin. And we need only one admin. And we need also to use, I think, let's go to our category seeder. Let's copy and paste, and here we need the admin. Now we are done. Let's go to the database seeder. So no need to execute the category seeder and task seeder. We need only the admin seeder. And I think that's all, or we need to import it. Okay, we can import it. So here we have admin seeder, And that's all. Next, what we need to seed our admin PHP artisan db seed. And we have something wrong here. The database str not found, so we did not import. So where is it? Let's import also str. So str, we need the hash, and we need also str because we are using it here. So I forgot to import it. Let's do that again. Let's clean the terminal and seed the database, and we are done. Okay, so now the admin has been created successfully. Next, what we need to do, let's do something. Let's create the admin controller before we add the view and log in the admin. So we need also an admin controller. Let's add here make controller and controller. So here we have this controllers. Let's use another folder. Let's call it admin, and inside let's add admin controller. Hit enter, and we are done. Let's go here. We have our admin and admin controller. Now, to make the admin login like the user, we need to do some updates to this file, which is the auth.php. So here we have the default guard, which is the web. We have here the guards. We need to add another one for our admin. Let's change it to admin. So here the driver, we can use session provider users. Here the provider is admins. Next, so be careful. Driver is session, the provider is admins, and here the name of the card is admin without S. Next, we need to add another one here. Inside the providers, we have here users. Let's change it to admins. And here we have eloquent. We can use the same thing, which is eloquent. And we have the model. And the model, we can use our admin model. So let's remove this. And here change it to admin. Okay. Next, what we need, so be careful, the driver is eloquent, and here we are using the admin, not the user. Next, what we have also here the passwords, so we can copy and paste and change from users to admins, and provider is admins, and we can use the same table, which is password reset tokens, and keep everything as it is. And that's also now the admin can log in also like the user. Now we have the web for the user, and we have the admin for our admin. Next, what we need,